Welcome to 5-day short-time training program on MATLAB for all. I am Sivapriyan, working as an associate professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Saram VIT, Bangalore. This program is for faculty as well as for the students. This program is designed to introduce the basics of MATLAB program and its programming environment. The participant who doesn't know about the MATLAB and its basics will be benefited most by completing this course. Also, participant who knows about the MATLAB will get benefited by attending the machine learning on-ramp and deep learning on-ramp sessions. So this program will give benefit to the learners, to the advanced learners. The MathWork is offering MATLAB web browser for their MATLAB on-ramp, machine learning on-ramp and deep learning on-ramp courses. These courses are free for registration. So by using this MATLAB web browser, participants will practice all the basics without having or installing MATLAB software in their desktop or laptop. MATLAB is a very powerful programming language used in basic science to cutting-edge engineering field. This programming software can also be used in data science data analytics, which will be benefited to the management and the humanities field of research scholars. The program is scheduled such that in day 1, we'll be introducing about that MATLAB on-ramp and its programming environment, how to open MathWork account, how to access the MATLAB on-ramp course and machine learning on-ramp course, deep learning on-ramp course offered by the MathWorks Limited. So first day, the participants are expected to complete 30% of the MATLAB on-ramp course. Day 2, we will be continuing with the MATLAB on-ramp course and we will be practicing more programs, and the participants are expected to complete the MATLAB on-ramp course 100%. Day 3, we will be moving to the machine learning on-ramp. This is the free course offered by the MathWorks Limited. So these are all the free course: MATLAB on-ramp, machine learning on-ramp and deep learning on-ramp. So these 3 courses are offered by MathWorks at free of cost. So on day 3, we'll start with machine learning on-ramp. The session will be delivered by Dr. Shubha. On day 3, the participants are expected to complete the machine learning on-ramp course by 60%. Day 4, on the first of session, machine learning on-ramp, the session will be handled by Dr. Shubha and the participants are expected to complete 100% of the machine learning on-ramp course. The afternoon session will be handled by Dr. Naina BR on deep learning on-ramp. So during this session, the participants are expected to complete deep learning on-ramp by 40%. On day 5, Dr. Naina will be continuing on the topic deep learning on-ramp and the participants are expected to complete 100%. Here we will not track any attendance. It's a self-paced training program. So instead of attendance, we are looking for performance from the participants. The sessions videos will be uploaded in frequent interval in YouTube. So kindly subscribe to that channel and also you join the Telegram group. Dedicated Telegram group we created. Kindly join in that group. You need to spend at least 90 minutes to practice. The video session will be running for minimum 45 minutes to 90 minutes and we are expecting you people to practice 90 minutes. On submission of the progress report with at least 60%, the participant will receive the FDP or SDP completion certificate without any grade. Here actually we are offering 3 courses: MATLAB on-ramp, machine learning on-ramp and deep learning on-ramp, and we are expecting participant to complete at least 60% in any one of the course to get participation certificate without any grade. If you complete all 3 courses, then you will be getting the certificate with the S plus grade. If the participant completed 2 courses, then he or she will be getting certificate with a A plus grade. if you complete at least any one course 100%, then the participant will receive the certificate with a B plus grade. The last date to submit the progress report received from the math work will be 15th of June 2020. The submission link will be enabled by 18th, that is last day of the STTP, and it will be disabled after one week, that is 56/2020. I thank my college management, Sri Krishna Devaraya Educational Trust, our beloved principal Dr. V.R. Manjunath, Head of the department Dr. H.L. Suresh, for giving me the opportunity to coordinate this 5-day short-time training program. Also, I would like to thank our eminent speakers Dr. Shubha, Dr. Naina, for their effort and interest shown for the success of this program. Finally, I would like to thank the participants who shown interest to learn the MATLAB. Thank you one and all. Happy learning.